Now we are in the setup menu. In the setup menu you can define your system parameters. You can set parameters for the device itself. Run the self-test, the same test that was shown in the beginning, or view the configuration of your instrument. If we go deeper into the device configuration, you can define the units that you are using in the measurement. There is an internal clock, so you have the ability to change the time and date stamp. You can activate the screensaver, set the network parameters for the Ethernet, set parameters for the serial bus, define the gases that you are measuring, define the corresponding filters, or activate the key lock. And if you want to see, without going through all the submenus, which are your parameters, you can take a look at the summary. Here you can see the status of all the submenus, which filters you are using, which are the corresponding gases, and which is the program version of the instrument.